Hello students, TSEAMCET 2020 result has been announced for the engineering stream on October 6. Candidates who had appeared in the exam can now check their result. TSEAMCET result 2020 is available online on the official website. To check the result, candidates have to use their TSEAMCET 2020 registration number, qualifying exam hall ticket number and date of birth. Here in this video, Careers 360 is presenting the step-by-step guide on how to check TSEAMCET result 2020. Steps to check TSEAMCET result 2020. Open the official website. Click on the TSEAMCET result 2020 link. Log in using your TSEAMCET 2020 registration number, qualifying exam hall ticket number and date of birth. Result will be displayed on screen. Candidates can download their result copy and take a printout for future reference. What details are present in TSEAMCET result 2020? Marks of the candidates in physics, chemistry and maths, TSEAMCET weightage, qualifying exam weightage, combined score, rank, result, qualifying status, TSEAMCET counselling. Schedule for counselling will be soon released by the concerned authorities. Candidates need to check the official website regularly for the counselling procedure and schedule.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and visit Careers 360 website for more details.